Good afternoon everybody, thank you for your interest in my budget tool. So here's a little video how to use it. First go to File and make a copy. Name the budget as you want it to be named. And now it loads for a while. So after it has loaded, you can see that there is instructions down here. I have wrote them here. So in the budget, first thing you should do is write the purpose of your saving, like investing for example. Then put the goal amount you have. As you can see, it automatically changes here to what you have put there. So then you just write down every month your earnings and your expenses. As you can see, it equals here and also shows average per month. So let's say you earn $1,000, it automatically shows here, and it also shows how much left you have, and it also up here shows the progress, how many percentages you have. So if there is some earnings that you don't have, you can just right click and delete row. You can also rename these or just add another row. Insert row. So if you insert new row and enter some numbers here, you can see it doesn't add up here. So just press this one and do this. Same goes for average per month, it doesn't add up automatically, so just draw this here. So that's about it. I personally use this every month, but you can also do it weekly or daily, however you feel like. Thank you for your interest and have a nice day.